in the field. Your Easy Locator HDR can be used over grass, bare soil, asphalt, or concrete. If ground clearance is a problem and you have a lot of forward resistance, raise the antenna to the highest setting. It is okay if the antenna makes contact with the ground. All antennas are shipped with a replaceable, durable skid plate, which is generally good for 1 year of normal operation. Contact your MALA distributor for more information about replacements. Detecting and tracing targets. Once a potential utility is detected on the screen, one can use the powerful backup cursor feature to pinpoint its location. Simply pull the Easy Locator HDR backwards towards the target detected. A cursor appears on the screen, which then scrolls back to the point the utility was detected as you move backwards. Split the target, whether a hyperbola or other shape, with the cursor. Mark the ground using the arrows on the side of the Easy Locator HDR. To confirm this is a possible utility, move the Easy Locator HDR over a few feet and perform a new scan. Repeating the process in this manner confirms that the object is a linear feature traceable underground. For clearly identifiable targets, you can actually trace the feature by turning your Easy Locator HDR parallel and directly over the target, and walk along it with slight S-turn deviations. Notice that the pipe now appears as a linear feature on the screen. This pass shows a pipe crossing at an angle of 90 degrees or perpendicular. This pass over the same pipe is at 30 degrees. Notice the hyperbola looks bigger and wider or flatter, even though it is the exact same pipe. Many times, due to soil conditions or other factors, targets may appear in a variety of shapes and are much harder to discern. Regardless, a keen eye and a technique of repeating transects every few feet or on a prescribed grid is the best way to sort out a legitimate target in less than ideal data. Time triggering or data acquisition. In some circumstances, such as rough terrain or very tall grass, the wheels of the Easy Locator HDR may not contact the ground sufficiently to use the internal forward or internal backward settings. In time mode, the unit scans continuously whether the Easy Locator HDR is moving or not. No distance information is provided. Notice the top of the screen is in time units rather than distance. In this mode, no backup cursor function is possible. To mark a utility, you must move repeatedly over the target to get a good fix on the location for marking. Time triggering may also be used in the event that the encoder fails and may be used as a backup until the encoder is replaced.